Welcome to Nissan Nut 74 YouTube channel. Hope you can even see this. Here we go. Hope you can see them. New brackets fabricated, new bucket seats. That's what this video is all about. Like, comment down below, subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know what you think of the seats. They feel great. Way more comfortable, just because they're smaller. Factory seats are just too big. The Altima seats are just too big for this little truck. So yep, this video is all about this. Thanks for watching. This is the first time I've ever ordered new seats. Well, for inside the car. I've ordered buggy plastic seats, but these are supposed to be Suede. So like that for the Datsun. Can't believe they fit in this box. I guess it's not that bad. Alright, these seats, as comfortable as they are, the seating position is terrible. It's too thick. So, I got some generic seats. They're lighter, that's for sure. And they're a lot lower. And hopefully a lot thinner. So I'm going to actually figure that out now. It's about 3 inches. Oh yeah, these are at least 4. Almost 5. It's like 2 inches. Kind of hard to measure, but I think it's like 5 inches. That'll be 2 inches of room. That'll be noticeable. So the problem with these seats is they don't bolt in. I gotta make brackets. So let's start building some brackets. They do have sliders on them though. I'll take those off. They look like typical Nissan seats. Some holes in here. I gotta measure up for the nuts I welded in. So before I take these out, I think the first thing I need to do is, that's where it is smashed. I need to get the seat height because I think these need to be raised up a couple inches. These are about 11. These are about 7. Almost 4 inches. So I just put the seat in there. It is way more comfortable as far as angles. I think it's too low though, just a tiny bit too low. But I don't know if you can see this. I feel like I got them more. My legs bent. Just feels a little bit low. Pretty good though. I think the steering wheel's good right now. Yeah, so I got a little bit of a gap in my legs here, so I'm gonna raise it up a couple inches and see what it feels like. Yeah, it's definitely easier to get out of. So I got the seat farther back, and I can even go back more if I go up more. But that's a pretty comfortable position right there. I had it leaned out more, but then my legs were a little too bent. But my back felt just right. So these holes are way off. What to do? I think we need to go up before we do anything else. So I can put some 2x4s in there. Alright, so I just weighed these seats. This seat is like 52 pounds, this Altima seat. This one's like 32 pounds. The original bench seat was like 42 pounds. So this seat is 20 pounds lighter. They're both steel, and that one has no motors. That's the manual seat. The driver's seat's probably heavier. But anyways, that's with the seat tracks and everything. So to mount these things, just measuring the distance between this hole and the farthest hole back. It's 12 inches. So then I've already figured out a 2-inch block mounts the driver's seat perfectly. So just taking a 2-inch 14 gauge piece of square tubing, and I'm just measuring down an inch, and then I measure from here to here, 12 inches. And drill an 1/8-inch hole, and then I'm going to open this up. I think these are 6 millimeters. These are old VG30E intake manifold bolts. They're perfect for these seats because, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can see right there. So the bolt has to clear the track, and it has to be Allen head or similar because you gotta, it's inside of a channel. See how welded it on those brackets? Let me show you this side. I bought these tabs for my rear suspension. I bought some more just for this. They work perfect. A little too thick, they're 1/4 inch thick, but it's okay. It's just a little bit. So I'm going to bend this one over, keep those straight. I'm going to bolt the seat tracks to the seat, set them on here, move these around, tack weld them, and done deal. So I just got to bend those next. That's how I did the other seat. Yeah, the driver's seat is so much harder in this truck because the seat literally is rubbing on the tunnel. Passenger side's easier. And if you're wondering where these holes came from, I drilled them hole and welded in nuts when I put in the Altima seats, because there was a seat channel here for the bench seat. There was no holes in the floor. So those bolts are for regular Nissan seats. Alright, so I put some bolts in there. And I just put a little weld on the inside. So now, plan is when those cool down, I throw some paint on there, bolt those to the seats, put the seats in there. Oh, I need to grind the paint off of here. That's what I gotta do next. So that when I set these, put the seats on those brackets. Oh, I gotta bend those brackets. Oh. Then I can weld it all together. Here's a good shot of the finished brackets for the seats that I made out of some 2x2 14 gauge. I got the seat belts bolted to them just like OEM style. And threw some paint on there. Here's the finished door panels if you haven't seen them. So yeah, now I've just got to cut holes in all this carpet. But it's coming together.